So Leela asked me, when the pouring paint is in a squeeze bottle, can you use it again, or does it dry out? That's why I brought this here. So I mixed this color up. I don't even know how long ago. Months. It could even be a year ago. I don't know. I've had it a while, and it's perfectly fine. But I've had pouring medium colors that I mixed up that I kept for years. As long as no air is getting in, and check this out, because this happens. Do you see the lid to that bottle where it's not all the way closed? That's because some dried paint got in there, and I need to like pull that little plug of paint out and clean this off, because what makes paint dry out is evaporation. Remember that diagram I showed you earlier? There's those water molecules in it, and we don't want those water molecules to evaporate. So just having a tight seal on the bottle is the most important thing to keeping a paint from drying out. So, okay, see, I did better. Okay. But if I'd left that open, it would have obviously over time dried out, and I have had that happen, and it's really a bummer because you can't get it out of the bottle, and you just have to throw the whole thing away, and that feels wasteful and not good for the environment and all that. At least if I don't need this, I can empty out the bottle and recycle the bottle as long as it's not dried. So thank you for that question.